It's time to eat, baby. We're cooking with the NASCAR Chef John Dicks. It's time to eat with all of that good stuff we're talking about.
I tell you what, guys, we got the oven going this week, but just believe it or not, Wayne, back when I was in the Air Force and stationed in Egypt, we actually learned how to bake on a grill.
Really?
Believe it or not, we had the charcoal down right. We had the sheet metal shop make us a pan, and we would cook biscuits and pizzas on the grill. Believe it or not, that's the only thing we had to cook on. We were out in the middle of the Sahara Desert,
Right.
so that's what we did, and we did it. But anyways, guys, we're doing a very tasty little recipe this week. It's called Bacon Cheddar Muffins. Now, guys, I know a lot of y'all probably don't bake, but this is really easy if you try it. You're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of butter. You want to melt it and let it cool. 1 egg, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and the recipe calls for about 6 slices of crispy cooked crumbled bacon, but you want to do probably about 8 or 10 because you're going to nibble on a couple of them. But anyways, guys, we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and in a greased standard 12-cup, 2.5-inch muffin pan, okay, you want to get it all good and greased and preheat your oven. Then in a bowl, you want to mix your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, your baking soda, and the salt. And in a separate bowl, you want to mix your milk, your butter, and your egg. And then, guys, you're going to mix it all together. Make sure it's good and mixed all together. And then you're going to spoon in your cheese and your bacon, okay? Once you get that all mixed real good, you're going to put about 1/3 of the mixture in each one of the cups and get them, like I said, get them about third full and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, if you never baked a lot, the easiest way to tell when they're done is take a toothpick or a butter knife, and you can dip it in what you're baking. If it comes out clean, it's done. It's that simple. Really good, guys. These are very tasty, so try them.
I was gonna say it sounds pretty damn delicious to me, but but then again, I like making sausage balls in the wintertime too, and that's the closest thing to a sausage ball right there. You bacon and muffin mix instead of doing biscuit mix and other things like that. So, folks, absolutely delicious stuff from the NASCAR Chef John Dicks this week. But Andy, I got something for you.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
That's for you, brother.
Man, these presents you keep giving me. Here, I got one for you. Too bad I'm not on. Oh, now I'm on screen.